Okay, we're going to calculate the general payroll. First step, highlights the total amount, then type equal, then close parenthesis, then highlights the rendered 21 to 22, then times, then highlights the rendered again to 1000 to 818, then close parenthesis, then enter, then highlights the rate minute, then type equal and open parenthesis, then highlights the rendered 1000 to 818. And after, to go to formula, type divide 8, divide 60, then close parenthesis, then enter, then enter. Then enter. Then next, the total, highlights the total, then type equal, open parenthesis, then highlights the number of minute, then times, after na highlights the rate minute, highlights the rate minute, then type close parenthesis, then and next, the total amount of net from late, highlights nimo na, then type equal, open parenthesis, then highlights the total amount. After highlights, type minus. After that, ma-highlights o ma-type nimo ang minus, highlights the total amount, then close parenthesis, then enter. Next, third set, and highlights the total of deduction, then type equal and open parenthesis, and highlights the MPL, then type plus. After that, highlights, type plus. After, then highlights the HDMF, then close parenthesis, then enter. Next, the amount received, highlights the amount received, then type equal, open parenthesis, then after that, highlights the total amount from late, net from late, then minus, then highlights the total deduction, then close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, done. Then the total, copy the total of all, then go to page 1, then copy the total, pwede rin mo siya i-type or any that. Copy the total, and go to page 3 na diyan kay merge mo na, highlight and merge. Yan. Copy the total, then go to the page 3 and copy. Yun lang guys, and thank you for watching. God bless.